Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be a vlog type video. So guys, today I'll be sharing what I eat in a day. I am recently following a keto diet. Like, I'm trying to make my food as keto friendly as possible, because I have gained a lot of weight in the last year, and I really want to get back in shape. Before you see what I usually eat, let me put out a disclaimer. I'm not a nutritionist or a dietitian, so whatever I eat, I am doing my research and then I'm preparing a diet plan for myself. Don't go by my words. It may not be as beneficiary for you, but for me, I think I'm doing pretty good because this is the 4th day trying and I haven't felt sick or anything of that sort. So the time now is 10:50 and I woke up super late today. I usually, when I have office on the weekdays, I wake up around 6:50 or 7 o'clock, and then I have to rush out to go to my office. But since today is a Saturday and I have a lot of free time, that's why I woke up late. And since I have woke up super late, I will do my breakfast quickly. And for my breakfast, I will show you what I eat. I have already prepared it and I've kept it with me. So guys, I will eat 4 whole eggs for breakfast, and that's all. This just keep me full for a longer time, and afterwards let's see what I make for lunch and dinner. So I will show you guys with that. So guys, I'm already done with my breakfast, and now let's go on to making some lunch. And I think I'll be making today some cauliflower rice, since I am not eating any rice or roti or bread of that sort. So let's go for cauliflower rice today. And I think there is some chicken, leftover chicken, so I think I'll be good with just some cauliflower rice. So I'll take you to my kitchen and I will make it. And also I have so many works to do. You can see the mess here. I have to clean all these things, because on the weekdays I really don't get any time for my office and everything. So today I will clean everything and I will keep you guys updated with. So guys, now it's lunchtime and it is almost 1:30 p.m. and for my lunch, as I'm not eating rice, I'll be eating some cauliflower rice along with some chicken, and this does keep me full for a long time and I don't feel hungry. Meanwhile, I drink a lot of water to keep myself hydrated, and I'll enjoy my meal now and I'll check with you guys later on. Bye. So guys, it is now 8:24 p.m. and आज मुझे बहुत जल्दी भूख लग गई, so that is why I'm having my dinner early. And I really prefer my dinner to be light, so that I don't feel full as much, or I get bloated. That is the reason why I'm want my dinner to be super light. So for that, I'll be having one bowl of soup. This is day 5. I'm doing this keto diet, and till now I haven't have a craving for any chocolates, or even though I don't like chocolates that much, I really didn't have any cravings for anything sweet or rice or roti, anything till now. This is my first week and I'm doing okay, I guess. I think I will update you guys again on the next week. I'm planning to, if you guys want to see whether I have felt any difference or not. Last Thursday, I guess, I checked my weight and it was 53.6. So I will again check my weight, whether anything is whether all this diet is making any difference or not, again on next Saturday or Friday, to check whether I have reduced any weight or anything. Till then, I will continue this diet and I will update you guys on this. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys have liked it, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.